Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm back with my most requested form of content, aside from writing. Burger reviews. Woo! Okay, let's see what we got here. I usually don't order McDonald's, and I don't get fast food too often, but this is the chicken Big Mac. Of course, I have to try that. So I got a medium Kai Cenat meal, Diet Coke. This is a big one. McDonald's hasn't released a chicken burger ever, I don't think, to my knowledge. All right. So, my palate is ready. Apologize for this. This straw was already a little wet for some reason, just the condensation. Okay. So, let's take a look here. Okay. Underneath, it's just chicken, but then if you go more underneath, looks like the Big Mac sauce, pickles, lettuce, mayo, 2 layers of chicken. Okay. Here we go. Not bad, pretty good. Let's try again. So I feel like I don't taste the sauce that much as I would on a regular Big Mac. And I have had Big Macs, like, even this year I might have had a Big Mac. Or last year, definitely. But I feel like the sauce is not as noticeable on this chicken burger. It's like maybe the meat, like the beef version, caused the sauce to pop more. With that said, the chicken is like, it's pretty good. Yeah, I mean, it tastes like, I'm trying to compare it to a different type of sandwich. It does not taste like the Wendy's spicy chicken, that's for sure. It's pretty unique, honestly. So on the barometer, if I'm grouping it in terms of like chicken sandwiches, like amongst different chicken sandwiches, it keeps together well. Like sometimes chicken sandwiches, they don't keep together that well. It's being kept together, meaning, you know, like sometimes half the chicken falls off the sandwich and whatnot, or it falls apart. So it's up there. It's like 5.1 out of 6 for a chicken sandwich. And it's not a burger, so I can't really rate it as a burger. So yeah, that's my review. Shout out Kai Cenat.